Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and today I've got a 2016 A-Liner Expedition. This thing is in excellent condition, no leaks, no soft spots. It is ready to go. It's got aluminum wheels, it's got newer tires with plenty of thread remaining on them, diamond plate on the back, it's got a spare tire and carrier, it's got 4 leveling jacks on it, window AC unit. This is 30 amp power. I've got a cover for the AC as well. Let's get inside and check this out. You can see the vinyl is in excellent condition. Split door. Alright, so as soon as we walk in, we've got our mini fridge over here, 2-burner stove. We've got a stainless steel sink right here. We've got the LG window AC unit. We've got an auxiliary kind of little cooktop over here that goes with it as well. We've got room for your dinette right here, which is sitting there. Dual bed over here. We've got storage all the way around, guys. Plenty of headroom, plenty of lighting, power roof vent fan as well, and it's got a commode as well. Got a commode right there. Taking care of business in the A-Liner. That's right, guys. So if you are interested, hit me up. My name is Chris with CGM Auto Brokers. I can be reached directly at 704-620-8388, 704-620-8388. We are located at 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. You can also see us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. That's www.cgmautobrokers.com. Guys, we can also help with financing, and we offer transport and delivery services. So guys, look, if you like these videos, if you're interested in the campers that we got, please subscribe to the channel. Forward it and send it to any of your friends or family that are looking for campers. As you can see, we have all different types. We've got pop-ups, we've got A-liners, we've got Class A's, Class B's, Class C's, regular travel trailers, fifth wheels, you name it, we got it, guys. So yeah, most importantly, remember guys, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, okay? God bless.